Hi beauties, let's do an underarm wax together. And can you take a guess at which wax I'm using today? Yes, of course, Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth Wax. From the branding to the packaging to the name to the color, I love everything about it. Sexy Smooth Wax, you did your big one with this one, but we still have to make sure it is a good wax. So we're going to test it out on this client and we're going to do an underarm wax, but guys, it's already applying beautifully. It's scent free, which is good for clients with more sensitive skin. It dries very quickly, so you can move at a fast pace. It's not too thin, not too thick. So far I'm loving it. And guys, it removed almost every single hair. And my client said it was very minimal pain. So not only does it look good and look beautiful, it works just as well. I'm going to go in with a quick cleanup strip. But guys, this wax is everything. Go on Sexy Smooth Wax. Go on their Instagram. They have a website. They have so many beautiful waxes to choose from that all work amazingly. You need this in your treatment room, and they are always having amazing deals, so take advantage.